Good vibes only. Live, laugh, love. It's always darkest before the dawn. Stay lifted. What is this place? This is where all the vanilla spiritual entrepreneur messaging comes to die. How did they get here? When they try to blend in like everyone else, they miss the point about what makes them different, and their messaging dies, and it comes here to live in a soulless pit, not making the impact that they're meant to make with their ideal clients. Oh, that's tragic. It really is. I don't want my messaging to come here to die. What do I do? Number one, dial in with your messaging so you're super specific on who you're serving. Got it. Create content as a CEO, not as an influencer, i.e. doing it for likes. But I need my validation. Validation comes from within, not from likes. Oh. 3, release the people pleasing. That's higher energy mastery level. This was just a whole download. I am totally following you.